Hello, my name is Lauren Anderson, and Anna Olson is the project lead for our project here in the CMS Region 5 office, Chicago. We'd like to introduce you to Rosario. She is a resident of a nursing home in Wisconsin and suffers from dementia like many others. As such, Rosario often experiences anxiety, depression, outbursts, and restlessness. A little over a year ago, Rosario's nursing home applied for a grant for a music and memory program, a program that has proven to tap deep into the memories not lost to dementia and bring patients back to life through music. Under the program, Rosario has a personalized iPod that she may listen to at any time to assist her when she feels lost. Since her participation in the program, both her daughter and the facility staff have noticed a significant change in her quality of life and reduction in her anxiety. So what is the problem? The funding stream Rosario's nursing home tapped into for the grant is currently underutilized. In 2015, it is estimated that the program holds greater than $150 million of non-traditional state funding across the nation, and from 2012 to 2014, only $10 million was awarded by 30 states that reported data. If more programs such as Rosario's were implemented, we would expect to see a reduction in deficiencies, be able to better reach CMS goals, and improve resident quality of life. So where does the money come from? Together with our state partners, CMS surveys or inspects all certified nursing homes in the country annually to ensure that they meet federal requirements. If during these inspections the facility is found out of compliance for things ranging from improper food storage to patient harm, penalties are oftentimes imposed. These penalties are collected and returned to the state for the purpose of being reinvested into the nursing home community for quality improvement programs, like the Music and Memory Program. Other programs have included chair yoga, fall prevention initiatives, and promoting advanced directives. What's the holdup? We originally thought it was an issue between the state and the potential applicants, largely a marketing problem. But through our interviews, we found it to be much more complex than that. As you can see from the slide, we've identified multiple issues for each stakeholder, and as such, we decided to focus on repeated concerns and where we could have the most impact. Those are identified in red. Our proposed solutions are to assist CMS with the implementation of the new program guidance that is about to come out, provide stakeholders access to a CMS website where program information will be centrally located, provide CMS regional offices with a usable checklist to assist them with program oversight, and pilot a Region 5 plan to improve our state's ability to spend down the program funds. So what are the next steps? We want to share the programmatic challenges and barriers we identified during our interviews with CMS leadership, as well as proposed solutions, provide CMS leadership our website prototype and vet a checklist with CMS regional offices, continue the development of a Region 5 working group to assist with program oversight and implementation as part of a Region 5 pilot program. On an even smaller scale, the Region 5 working group will provide states the opportunity to share ideas and best practices, voice concerns, and ask for clarification on CMS guidance. Region 5 will use the working group to vet a sample application for states to solicit proposals and share information about upcoming programmatic changes. After we pilot our Region 5 plan, our goal would be to implement similar program management across the remaining 9 regions. Thank you to everyone who has supported us through our project, and thank you to CMS and state workers that work every day to improve the life of nursing home residents like Rosario.